Today in this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV if it's turning on and off by itself. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it in back, this will reset your TV. If it's not clear, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. We are gonna update your TV. Press home or menu button on your remote. Go to settings, support, software update, then update now. This fixes your problem. Method 3. This is last thing. Usually we'll do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Go to home button, go to settings, go to support, self diagnostics, reset. This fixes your problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.